Yo, can y'all see me? Am I too close? How about now? What's good, baby? Cuss by Reggie. Back again in less than a month now. We ain't really hit the 1,000 subscribers yet, but we almost there. And I don't know if I'm gonna upload this at 850 or 900. So no matter when you seen it, whether you seen it at 850 subscribers or you seen it at 900 subscribers, I would like to thank you all. Thank you all for subscribing to the channel. This channel pretty much started out of quarantine. I was bored. I had nothing to do. I had a few cuts that I had recorded. I had some tools that I wanted to review. Almost at 1,000 subscribers. That was my goal. Well, essentially, my first goal was just make one. My older brother taught me into it. My two boys taught me into it. So here we are, 850 or 900 subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing. But the main reason we here today, is this crooked? If it's crooked, you can still hear me, you can still see me. It's all good, I just might be like this. But either way, the main reason we here today is to get ready for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. All right, I had a giveaway at 500 subscribers. Thank you to everybody who entered into that one. But and I also, at that time, I was like, okay, at 1,000 subscribers, we'll have another giveaway. So we almost there. Thank you. But the reason you're here today, or the reason I'm making this video, is to have it ready in the stash. So when 850 or 900 subscribers pop up, I can shoot this video out, right? And this video is just like I did at my last giveaway, is to tell y'all what's in the giveaway and how to enter the giveaway. And like we did it first, do you want to know what's in the giveaway first or how to enter the giveaway? You want to know how to, you want to know what's in it first. Now, the last one, we did a JRL giveaway. It was a good one. All right. It was a pretty good giveaway. I don't know if this one's going to live up to that. It may not, but we're going to do it anyway. So bump all that. We here now. We here now. First item in the giveaway. Boom. The Absolute Alpha clippers from Gamma. Voila. I didn't know if I wanted to go all one company or mix and match it with different things. But first item. Absolute Gamma cordless clippers. You get the interchangeable colors. You got the gold, the rose gold. It comes with the silver on it. Of course, boom, you got the click lever and all that good stuff. Boom. Here we are. Item number one. From Gamma, Absolute Alpha cordless clippers. Boom. Giveaway over. Nah, not yet. Not yet. If you got clippers, you're gonna need some trimmers. So, item number two, Absolute Hitter from Gamma. Talking about a set, right? It matches. You got the cordless trimmers. Of course, you got the charging dock and all that good stuff. Nice steel blade. Yeah, I think we good. You got the customizable. You got the custom body kits. It's right there. Read it for yourself. Boom. You said it was, no, not yet. Because if you got clippers and you got trimmers, you're gonna need a pair of shavers. If you got clippers and you got trimmers, the finishing touch gotta be the shavers, right? So we got the wireless Prodigy from Gamma. As you can see, there's a theme in this video. We're going Gamma this time, all right? So you got the Absolute Alpha, you got the Absolute Hitters, and you got the wireless charging Prodigy from Gamma. Hey, I'm trying. Say what? Is it up? Not quite. So you got clippers, and you got trimmers, and you got a shaver, but maybe you need something different to finish up. Hold on, let me see. Boom. The newest shaver from Gamma, the Uno, the one foil shaver, huh? Y'all silly. You see it though, right? This is the black one. I've been using the red, the from Stylecraft. And if you watch my video on what shavers to use, or even if you watch my review on this, you know this is one of my favorite shavers. All right? So boom, you got the absolute alpha. You got the absolute hitters. You got the Prodigy from Gamma. And then you also have the Uno.
I'm having trouble hearing you.
She having trouble hearing me because I'm not talking to her. That's the one thing about Siri, but that's a whole nother. Boom, Gammas, hitters. The alphas, the hitters, the Prodigy, the Uno. Huh? Do I have? I might have something. Give me 1 second. And it's nothing big, but if you got some clippers and they slippery, you might need some grippers. If you got some trimmers and they little slippery, you might need some grippers. Also from Gamma, you got the clipper grips from Gamma. It goes with your set. Then I think we're done. Wait, you stay right there. Last thing, the SPX EverSince this is the newest blade from EverSince. I did a review on it. I'm not gonna lie, for me, it's not the top notch as they say. But there's a lot of people who love this. But instead of one of y'all having to spend $75 on a blade, you can now enter in your chance to win this blade with your set. Clippers, trimmers, grippers, shavers, and to go on your clippers, a new blade. This is the fade blade from EverSince SPX. They also got the extra cutting blade to go along with it. Boom, and that's a giveaway. Now again, I don't know if it lives up to the JRL giveaway I did at 500 subscribers, but now we at 1,000 subscribers. And this is for, first of all, this is for anybody who just want to try out these products all from Gamma. Or this is for a newer barber watching my channel who might need some extra trimmers and clippers and shavers, who might not be able to afford all this stuff. So this is your chance to enter. How do you enter? Y'all know how we do it, right? Boom, subscribe to the channel first. So first off, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, share, like, all that good stuff. That's your first step in entering this giveaway, all right? Step 1, subscribe. Step 2, screenshot a picture that you are subscribed. Matter of fact, screenshot this video right here. And then at the bottom, it'll say that you subscribed, right? Screenshot that you were subscribed. Go over to my Instagram. And again, you don't have to follow me on Instagram. Excuse me, but if you like to, it's at Cuts by Reggie. You go over to my Instagram, you DM me with the picture of you subscribed. And the caption this time, y'all remember the caption for last time? The caption this time is, Mama, we made it. Mama, we made it. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you for checking out the videos. Hopefully we hit 5,000. I don't know where this is gonna go. If YouTube cuts off tomorrow, I'm just doing this because I like it. It's fun, nothing to do, right? So again, to enter this giveaway, you subscribe to the channel. You screenshot this video to show me that you are subscribed to my channel. Go over to my Instagram page at Cuts by Reggie. DM me with the picture that you screenshotted with the caption, Mama, we made it. I appreciate y'all. This is 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Again, if you skip to the end just to see how to enter, this is what you get. You get the absolute alpha clippers. You get the absolute hitters. You get the wireless Prodigy. You get the Gamma Unos. You get grippers. And then you get the SPX blade from EverSince, fade blade. Make sure y'all subscribe. And we be back with another videos. This is just something to put out there for people to see what they get in 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I appreciate y'all again. We be back with another video very, very soon. Peace.